Hello friends, in this video we will go through some examples of millimoles and micromoles. In exam, they will not ask you directly about millimoles or micromoles, but they can be a part of your calculation questions. So let's begin. First we have definition, and all these stuff in this video are from Pharmaceutical Calculation 13th edition by Howard C. Ansel. So we know that a mole is the molecular weight of a substance in grams. A millimole is 1,000 of a mole. It means when mole is multiplied by 1,000, it will be millimole, just like gram and milligram. Then a micromole is 1 million part of a mole. That's the simple definition. You don't need to remember it. Our first question we have, how many millimoles of monobasic sodium phosphate, molecular weight 138, and remember it will always be in gram, are present in 100 grams of substance? Since in question we have molecular weight 138, which is equals to 1 mole, so we have 1 mole in 138 grams. So how many moles in 100 grams? When we calculated, we got 0.725 moles. Then we multiply it with 1000 to convert it into millimole, and we finally got 725 millimoles. In our next question we have, how many milligrams would 1 millimole of monobasic sodium phosphate weight? In Ansel, they solve it like this. 1 mole is equals to 138 grams. 1 millimole is equals to 0.138 grams. And then 1 millimole is equals to 138 milligrams. We will elaborate this a little bit to understand it in a better way. So exactly what's going on? We have 138 grams in 1 mole. And then 1 mole contains 1000 millimoles. Then we have 1000 milligrams in 1 grams. So we put all the values here. Finally, we got 138 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 1000. So we got 138 milligrams per millimole. I mentioned this step just for better understanding. In exam, remember, if you are adding a milli here and here, the value will remain same. So 1 mole is equals to 138 gram, then 1 millimole will be equals to 138 milligrams. Let's see next question. What is the weight in milligram of 1 millimole of hydrogen phosphate? In my previous video, I show you how to calculate the molecular weight. I'm repeating it here, and if you didn't watch the video, I will give the link. Please watch it. So hydrogen has 1 atomic weight, then phosphate has 30.9, we are taking it as 31. Then oxygen is equals to 16 multiplied by 4 gives us 64. When we add everything, we got 96 molecular weight. So the 1 mole will be equal to 96 grams. And similarly, as we did in previous question, we add milligrams or millimole in both sides, and we got same value. 1 millimole is equals to 96 milligrams. Now next question we have, convert blood plasma levels of 0.5 microgram per milliliter and 2 microgram per milliliter of tobramycin molecular weight 467.2, 2 micromole per liter. First we will solve this. If we have 0.5 microgram in 1 milliliter, how much microgram we will have in 1000 milliliters, because we want answer in liters. So we put it here 1000. When we calculate it, we got 500 microgram in liter. Then 1 mole is equals to 467.52 grams. Similarly, as we did in previous question, we are adding micro on both sides. 1 micromole is equals to 467.52 micrograms. Then, if we have 467.52 micrograms in 1 micromole, then how much 500 microgram will be in micromole? When we calculate it, we finally got 1.069 micromole per liter. This is the solution of 0.5 microgram per liter. And similarly for 2 microgram per milliliter, we go through with the same procedure and we got 4.28 micromole per liter. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and keep study. Bye for now.